Fill up the table, fill up the table, count the empties, count the empties, fill up the table, fill up the table, count the empties, count the empties. As we say, my friend, now.
Yeah. I've got this feeling, gotta get to you, and I'm.
Welcome back to the Life of Sky with our Ntsei-Sky that you can't deny, aka Petty Cash, Petty Money, Petty Cash. I come back. I've been away for a young minute because my laptop had been gone into repairs, but that doesn't even matter anymore because I'm back now with another playlist. So the good news is that I was deep in thought and I just thought to myself that why not make playlists for maybe the next 3 or 4 months. So every month for the next 3 or 4 months, along with all my other uploads, there will be a playlist amongst those uploads. So so I'm not even gonna waste you guys' time. You guys already know the drill. I really don't like long intros, so let's just get into why you clicked on this video. Let's get straight into it.
And I'm sitting with my friends and they thirsty and what's the full chicken say 5 it's every money maker. Our money maker. 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 It's every money maker. Oh, our money maker. It's every money maker. Our money maker. It's every money maker. Our money maker. It's every money maker.
What a banger! I feel like that was just I just needed to sneak that in, you know, just set the tone, because the theme for me this year is shmoney. I really deserve props. I need to be respected for the song. I went high and low for the song because it's very difficult to find. Snapback reminds me of when I was still in high school, when I was still in Capricorn. Yo! When the song came out, I remember before people even knew that it was called Snapback, they used to call it the breathing song. They'd come to you. Guys, DJ Lag! Get out of here. Bodelo, I Bodelo, yo Bodelo, I Bodelo, I Bodelo, I Bodelo, I Bodelo, I Bodelo, I Lamona Wanga, 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 but there. I think someone once posted the song on Twitter, and I was like, actually, the song bangs. It bangs.
I've been searching, walking, 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 searching. I've been searching, walking, searching, walking, searching, walking, searching. I've been searching, walking, searching, walking, searching, walking, thanking God I finally loved.
Guys, searching and walking. There always has to be those young songs from Limpopo. So what better song than my nigga Cyfred, my nigga Cyfofo, aka oh yeah Cyfofo, oh yeah. All right. Ikwa, ikwa, suka. Yo, yo, yo. The voices in the song, they a little bit of cocaine, a little bit of heroin, a little bit of ecstasy. You obviously also gotta talk about Musa Keys, so you already know where I'm going with this. Guys, this song is so beautiful and so smooth. Like, it just doesn't have chaos happening into the song. Like I said there by Cyfred, a little bit of cocaine, a little bit of heroin, a little bit of ecstasy. That's what they're doing there in the booth. Fire in the booth. I need to just rewind that, child. Hey! Go! This song just makes me want to go to a tavern and just be ratchet. That's what the song makes me feel like.
fiana iso depois vão querer
Guys, I know this next song I'm going to play isn't necessarily Ratchet or anything. I just felt the need to put it in the playlist just for a little razzle dazzle, a little variety, you know? So just let me have my little moment. Guys, this song has to be my wedding song, please. Like, it's just that vibe when you're getting married, like. She said the location is Fubeni. If Malaika says the location is Sifubeng, who am I to argue? Guys, can you hear that? Like, it's losing me. What a beautiful song. This is going to be the last song. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, Chani, bump the numbers up, child. And I'll see you guys in the next one.
Mshayi
Mshayi Stwetla, Mshayi Stwetla, Mshayi Stwetla.